Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica Espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to wait for this part for us to get. We were able to get it and install the new one. This is the whole steam assembly, and we also had to replace the water pump. This one that you see right here. So yeah, that's what we did to this espresso machine. And starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test it out. Then we're gonna be testing the hot water and then the steam. From the hopper into the infuser. The infuser is sliding all the way to the generator, but then the air is going to push out water into the infuser, and through the grounds, and then into the stops. Next steady stream coming out of the machine, excellent color, 1 ounce. Yeah. Hot water for this machine, we're going to test it out as well. As you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent temperature, looking great. And now we're going to be testing the steam. Now we're hot. And now that it's at temperature, you can keep all the tools and have steam on, excellent pressure, really good temperature, working amazing. So there you have it, DeLonghi Magnifica working once again and ready to go. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Subscribe to the channel.